In this guide, I'm going to show you how to add money to your Robinhood Cash account. Intro. Begin by opening up the Robinhood app, and you need to go to the main home screen, and at the very bottom you're going to see like a little spend icon. Go ahead and select that. So scroll down, you'll see spend. Once you go ahead and see spend, you need to go ahead and select transfer money. You may also just see transfer on here as well, and you may have to select your profile icon, but select transfer. Then the screen won't actually show it on here just because it does include personal information. But you need to tap transfer money, and then from here, go ahead and enter in the amount you want to add. Select the from account, and then go ahead and put that in wherever you want the money to be taken from, like a linked checking account. Go ahead and select that and make it set to spend, and this is the account where the Robinhood card is going to be used. You can also choose how often a transfer happens. Like, for example, it could be every day, every week, every 2 weeks, every month. It's completely up to you. Go ahead and adjust it accordingly, and then from there, you're good to go. Keep in mind that sometimes it will take a few days, so make sure the money is available in the account that you're pulling from. Before you leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel, and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, once again, ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.